Regular exercise provides numerous benefits for the body, mind, and overall health. Here are some of the most significant advantages of incorporating regular physical activity into your lifestyle. Physical benefits. 1. Weight management. Regular exercise helps maintain a healthy weight, reduce body fat, and build lean muscle mass. 2. Cardiovascular health. Exercise strengthens the heart, lowers blood pressure, and improves circulation, reducing the risk of heart disease. 3. Increased strength and flexibility. Regular physical activity helps build muscle strength, boost flexibility, and improve balance and coordination. 4. Improved insulin sensitivity. Exercise helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. 5. Better sleep. Regular physical activity improves sleep quality, duration, and depth. Mental and emotional benefits. 1. Reduced stress and anxiety. Exercise is a natural stress reliever, helping to reduce anxiety and improve mood. 2. Improved mental clarity and focus. Regular physical activity enhances cognitive function, boosting concentration, memory, and problem-solving skills. 3. Boosted self-esteem and confidence. Exercise can enhance self-esteem, body image, and overall confidence. 4. Enhanced creativity. Physical activity has been shown to improve creative thinking and problem-solving skills. 5. Better mood. Regular exercise releases endorphins, also known as feel-good hormones, which can help alleviate symptoms of depression. Additional benefits. 1. Increased energy. Regular physical activity can increase energy levels and reduce fatigue. 2. Improved bone density. Exercise, especially weight-bearing activities, can help strengthen bones and prevent osteoporosis. 3. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Regular exercise has been shown to reduce the risk of developing certain chronic diseases, such as heart disease, stroke, and some types of cancer. 4. Improved immune function. Physical activity can help boost the immune system, reducing the risk of illness and infection. 5. Increased productivity. Regular exercise can improve productivity, creativity, and overall work performance. How much exercise do you need? 1. Aim for 150 minutes *. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise, or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise, or a combination of both, per week. 2. Incorporate strength training. Include strength training exercises at least 2 times per week to build muscle and improve overall health. 3. Make it a habit. Aim to exercise regularly, ideally 3 to 5 times per week, with at least 1 day of rest in between. Remember, every bit counts, and even small amounts of physical activity can have significant health benefits. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy, and make it a regular part of your lifestyle.